Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to use avatar on your profile on Instagram. To know how to use your avatar on your profile on Instagram, you should just go here in this window. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page here, we will go to this sign. As you see, edit profile, sorry, edit profile like this. And when you will see this page here, we will go to click here, change profile photo like this. As you see, after that, in this list, you will click use avatar like this here, and then you will choose, or you will select avatar you want here in this list like this, and then you will click in this sign. As you see, then you can know how to use avatar on your profile on Instagram. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.